Welcome to Rap Garage. I'm WG356, and I'll be guiding you through this bad boy. 357, you'll meet him a bit later. This is the War Room, the birthplace to some of our deadliest designs. Jeff and Brad are the big dogs. Thing 1 and Thing 2. They lay out the marching orders. And it's how we roll. Yeah, pun intended. A bit about the shop. Custom installation. LED lighting. The bird nest. I know, right? This is the printing centre. We oversee everything. This is Jeff. This is not Brad. Get to the chopper. These giant pipes provide a consistent climate-controlled environment. Winter is coming, boss. Our installers are the heartbeat of the shop. They make us look good, and they make our customers look even better. Would you look at that? No, just look at it. We oversee everything. Everything takes place inside our huge facility. Want more? Give us a shout. That concludes our tour. Remember, kids, avoid sugary snacks and wrap it up. Rap Garage. Simply different.